Here's my 1995 Fadal 6030 vertical machining center. It's in excellent condition. I just had the spindle drive rebuilt. The spindle drive cost me $2,000. It has a 1-year warranty, so there's nothing to worry about for a year there on that. In 2016, it had, supposedly the company I bought it from said they had $20,000 worth of work done to it. It had something tersite. It had, I think it's got Gibbs installed in the controller. I'm not sure. I don't use that function, and I don't have that function plugged in. And it also had, I want to say, oil lines done in 2016. So it's in excellent condition, runs great. I do have a 4th axis for it that is separate from the eBay listing. So if you want to make a deal on that separate or as a package deal, just contact me. We'll work that out. But the 4th axis just plugs right into there, works fine, no problems. I'll walk around it here and show you some of the features here, and then I'll run it for you. So after I got it, I actually upgraded the LED lighting. Plus it has the work lights there. I replaced the glass in it, I guess you could say, plexiglass. So I replaced the plexiglass in it. I've used it. It's a great machine. The LED light just is great in here, and it was upgraded with the LED flat screen, which is awesome, so you can see everything nice and crisp when you're using it. There's the 4th axis rotary table that is separate, but that does the plugs right there. The plug and the air hose right there just plugs in right there and plugs into the air hose. So here's the sides. Everything's nice and clean on it. Coolant tank down there. It has the oil skimmer, which is a great feature to have. Walk around the other side here. Same thing, everything's nice and clean. It's a nice machine, well taken care of. No issues. So let me jog it around here for you. Go to jog. Here's the X. Super smooth. The only thing that makes any noise is the way covers, because they're huge on this machine. So other than that, the ball screws are perfect. No backlash. Sounds great. Here's the Y. Super smooth. No problems. And here's the Z. Same thing. Super smooth. Can barely hear anything. You can see it's lubricating itself, so the lubricant works with no problem. All right, so let's start the spindle up. M3 speed 1000. This will be low gear. So there goes in low gear. Super quiet, sounds great, no problems, no weird noises. It's not gonna need bearings, anything like that. It sounds great. And like I said, in 2016, I think they also replaced the belts in there, so I don't think you have to worry about that. So that's speed 1000. Let's go speed 3000. We'll kick it into high gear. There it is in high gear. Super smooth. No problem. Speed 4500. Nice and smooth. It's accurate. The machine's never been crashed. The whole life of this machine, you can see this fixture plate that's on here. It ran these holes right here. So all it did was drilling cycles the whole life of the machine. It's never had any sideway force with three-dimensional parts. And this fixture plate will also come off. I can take it off if you don't want it. I just leave it on there, and I just bolt my fixtures on top of this fixture plate, which is awesome. So M5, let's do a tool change. M6 tool, I don't know, 6. See there, no issues. M6 tool 9. There you go. So that's about it. This machine also has the 32 MP controller, you can see right here. And you can switch it over between CNC and PC, but I keep this disconnected because I don't use that. I import through a RS-232 port. It also has, you know, the floppy disk. So it does have this function in there, but everyone that has that function that doesn't use it unplugs it, because if you don't, the PC turns on every single time that you start this machine up. So I can't certify that works 100%, that function, but it is in there. So it's a great machine. So that's about it for this machine. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My name is Randy. My number is 502-418-2549. Thanks for looking.